Welcome to Aerosapien. We are worked last 1 year on Wipro 3D Printer Prism. Our team last few months put more effort on this Prism project. After 8 months successfully completed Prism project with as per our customer Wipro 3D requirements. We are proud to said this lead screw manufactured minus side 5 micron tolerance very accuracy and close tolerance. This lead screw control by X, Y and Z axis movements. We are manufacturing Wipro 3D Prism project all mechanical, movable and structural components within plus or minus 0.1 micron. Aerosapien manufacturing belt tensioner for to avoid the belt wear and tear. This assembly we are made by plus side 20 micron tolerance. This component used to adjust the belt tension for increasing the printing quality. Aerosapien manufacturing all Wipro 3D Prism parts like a build plate 400x400, top plate 500x500, fillers, V-groove blocks, Z-axis stoppers, Z-rail mounts, nozzles, spacers, nuts and bolts extra. Aerosapien fixing helicoil insert for tap holes M3, M4, M5 and M6. And we are do black anodizing for aluminium parts and doing heat treatment for all steel parts act. After 1 year Wipro printer displayed by XCon Expo in Bangalore International Exhibition Center. This is a very prestigious moments for Aerosapien. Last 1 year Aerosapien waiting moments we are step up on next level. This 3 machines are printing all kind of critical structural complex component for aerospace application. Wipro Prism printing tolerance plus or minus 0.1. Aerosapien achieved go to next level of our success. In market lot of 3D printer are available but our Wipro Prism is more accuracy and more reliable operating system compared other brand machines. Aerosapien ready to manufacturing some other new product development for aerospace application and automotive applications. If you have an idea if you have completed design, we are ready to give manufacturing solutions and assembly. We are manufacturing all kind of critical assembly can be flatness, parallelism, perpendicularity and all other geometric tolerance should be achieved plus or minus 0.1 micron tolerance. Aerosapien have more effective and more experienced team for achieving a close tolerance. Our team members all are young and energetic person. Aerosapien really thank to Wipro 3D Prism team for given this opportunity. This project really helps to achieve next level to move our Aerosapien. Aerosapien thank to our team members. Aerosapien really dedicated to this moments for our dad and mom. Our dream our creation. Thank you very much.